Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this delicious, yummicious, amazing shrimp spaghetti pasta. This turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In the bowl, I added in my shrimp, fish seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, chili flakes. The chili flakes is totally optional. You can avoid it if you are not a chili lover. I'll stir this till well combined and then I'll set it aside, marinate it for about 10 minutes. I didn't add in salt because of the fish seasoning. In my saucepan, I'll add in water, salt, just a little bit of olive oil. Cover it and bring the water to a boil. On the other side of the gas, I'll start preparing my veggies and the shrimps. So first thing I'm going to do is to cook or stir fry the shrimps for about 5 minutes. You know, shrimp does not take long to cook, so do not overcook it. At the end, we're going to add it to it and it's going to cook again. Once you get to 5 minutes or you find out that it's pink color like this, that means it's ready. Set it aside. In the same saucepan, I then added in crushed garlic, chopped ginger, just a little bit of chopped olive oil. I'll stir this and add in my green beans. You know, green beans is quite hard, so I added it to it at the initial stage. I'll stir this and add in chopped carrots, just a little bit of water, and let this cook for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. By then the water should have come to a boil, and then add in your spaghetti. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I'm using in the comment section or in the description box below. I'll let this cook until it's ready. By then the veggies, the carrots and the green beans is also almost cooked. So I added in my bell peppers, which is red bell pepper, yellow and green bell pepper. I then added in tomato paste, chicken, vegetable seasoning, salt, and just a little bit of chili flakes. I'll stir this again and let it cook for 2 minutes, no more than that, because you do not want to overcook the veggies. And I'll add in the pasta. By then the pasta should have cooked. So as you can tell here, mine was ready. I'll drain the water and then add it to the veggies. So guys, this is it. This is so simple. It's delicious and trust me, you're going to love it. I'll add in the shrimps that we fried earlier on, and then the last but not the least ingredient that I added is chopped red bell pepper, and my last ingredient is chopped parsley. So this is it, guys. You are good to go. This is amazing. It's so delicious. This is one of my Italian husband's favorite. You know, Italians and pastas, they love pasta. So when I do this for my husband, trust me, he loves it. It's one of his favorites. Try it, you're going to love it. Even my son, he's all over the place when it comes to cooking spaghetti. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. It's amazing. It's amazing. Try this and let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.